Hello students, myself Karan Sonagra. Today we will solve the worksheet of chapter number 12, Fun with Magnets. So let us start with the choose the correct option. First one is given, the magnets are available in what shapes and size. So they are available in many shapes and sizes. Second, वो डज नॉट हैव एनी मैग्नेटिक फोर्सेस, किसको मैग्नेटिक फोर्सेस जैसा कुछ नहीं है, तो लेक डज नॉट हैव एनी मैग्नेटिक फोर्सेस. द मैग्नेटिक फोर्सेस आर स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट एट द पोल्स. तो जो ये मैग्नेटिक फोर्स होते हैं वो पोल्स के पास कैसे होंगे, स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट, एंड सेंटर में दे आर वीक. द टेम्पररी मैग्नेट्स बिहेव लाइक मैग्नेट्स only when they are near to a strong magnet or they are in the strong magnetic field. So near would be the answer. So जो temporary magnet होते they act like magnets only when you are putting it in a strong magnetic field or near to the strong magnet. Then when like poles of magnets are brought together, they repel each other. Why? Because they have talked about like poles. So like poles will repel each other and unlike poles will attract each other. So north north and south south will repel each other, north south or south north will attract each other. Then write true for the true statement and F for the false one. Correct the false statement. मतलब आपको true and false भी कहना है and also you have to correct the statement. So first one is given, whether the magnets attract or repel each other depends on which poles of magnets are facing each other. Yes, it depends because कि if they are like poles then they will repel, if they are unlike poles then they will attract. So it depends कि what kind of poles are facing each other. So the statement is true. A freely suspended magnet will align itself in the east-west direction. No, this statement is false because they will align itself in north south direction. तो जो आपका आंसर है वो क्या आएगा, नॉर्थ साउथ डायरेक्शन इंस्टेड ऑफ ईस्ट वेस्ट. थर्ड वन, मैग्नेट्स आर यूज्ड इन एटीएम कार्ड्स. यस, तो वहाँ पर जो ये मेटल की स्ट्रिप होती है दैट ब्लैक कलर, तो दैट स्ट्रिप हैज़ मैग्नेटिक मटेरियल. So you can say the ATM cards has magnets. So the statement is true. A horseshoe magnet should be stored with a piece of soft iron kept across its poles which is called keepers. तो ये बोल रहे हैं कि भाई horseshoe magnet होते हैं that we should stored in keepers or with keepers. So the statement is true. All objects are attracted by magnets. No, not all objects. Only the magnetic objects are attracted towards the magnet. But non-magnetic materials would not get attracted by magnets. So the statement is false. All magnets or all objects are not attracted by the magnets. So these are the answers of fill in the blanks, and if the statement is false then it's correction. Now let's move on to fill in the blanks with the correct words. So first one is given, iron filings stick more at the poles of magnets. Why? Because the magnetic force will be strongest at poles. सो जो भी आयरन फिलिंग्स होंगी वो ज़्यादा कहाँ पर स्टिक होगी, एट द पोल्स. इफ मैग्नेट इज अलाउड टू मूव फ्रीली, इट कम्स टू रेस्ट इन अ डायरेक्शन वेरी क्लोज टू द अर्थ्स नॉर्थ साउथ डायरेक्शन. बिकॉज जब भी हम लोग मैग्नेट को फ्रीली सस्पेंड कर देते तो वो कौन सी डायरेक्शन में जाके रुक जाएगा, नॉर्थ साउथ डायरेक्शन में जाके. When two magnets are brought near each other, they either attract each other, or they repel or complete, they will repel each other. So when you brought near two magnets, either they attract or repel each other. So attract and repel would be answer. The next, improper storage of magnets कैन कॉज द लॉस ऑफ मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टीज. बिकॉज हमने ठीक से स्टोरेज अगर नहीं किया तो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट रीज़न मैग्नेट कैन लूज देयर मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टीज. सो प्रॉपर स्टोरेज ऑफ मैग्नेट्स इज नेसेसरी. द नेक्स्ट, टेलीविजन एंड कंप्यूटर मॉनिटर्स यूज मैग्नेट्स. तो television and computers are using magnets. Write one examples for each of the following. Objects attracted by magnets. So what are those objects which are gets attracted by magnets? So iron, nickel, cobalt. So these are the magnetic materials which get attracted by magnets. तो iron, nickel and cobalt या तो any other magnetic material you can write. Second, objects not attracted by magnets. तो non magnetic material वाले objects, say for an example wood, plastic, gold, silver, these are the non magnetic materials. So these non-magnetic materials will not get attracted by magnets. So any of those you can write it down. Use of magnets. So you can use the magnets in fridge door, in ATM card, or you can say the as a strip of metal, in a credit card, in you can say in electric motor, in junkyard. So for picking up the substances which are made up of iron, तो वो junkyard में भी magnet use होता है, और you can say to lift the heavy objects. So these are the answers of the application of magnets. Then write one word for the following. You just have to write down the one word. Objects that are attracted by a magnet. मैग्नेट के द्वारा जो अट्रैक्ट हो रहे ऑब्जेक्ट्स उनको हम लोग बोलते हैं मैग्नेटिक ऑब्जेक्ट्स या तो मैग्नेटिक मटेरियल. एन इंस्ट्रूमेंट विथ अ मैग्नेट that is used to find the direction. So we used to find the direction by magnetic compass. So magnetic compass would be the answer. Magnets that retain their magnetic properties for a very long time. Here remember, they've asked for very long time, so only permanent magnets can retain their magnetic properties for a long time. So permanent magnets would be answer. A magnet that is stored with a piece of soft iron kept across its pole, so that magnet is horseshoe type magnet. एंड ये जो सॉफ्ट आयरन की स्ट्रिप जो होती है दैट इज कॉल्ड कीपर्स. सो हॉर्सशू मैग्नेट वुड बी आंसर. टू रीजन्स वेयर द मैग्नेटिक फोर्स ऑफ अ मैग्नेट आर स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट. तो ऐसे कौन से दो रीजन है जहाँ पर द मैग्नेटिक फोर्स इज स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट. सो एट पोल्स और एट टू पोल्स, नॉर्थ पोल एंड साउथ पोल, the magnetic force would be strongest. So poles would be the answer. So that's it in this video. you have to write down the short question answer, long question answers in your FNB, and this very short question answer, true and false, fill in the blanks, correct the statement, and this very short questions you have to write down directly in your worksheet, so you no need to write it down in your FNB. Thank you and have a nice day.